Welcome to our guide on trunk-based development. If you are looking to modernize your team's version control workflow and speed up delivery, this is the methodology you need to know. Let's break down exactly what it is and why major tech companies use it. So, what exactly is trunk-based development? It is a version control management practice where developers merge small, frequent updates to a core, trunk, or main branch. Unlike other workflows that use long-lived feature branches, which isolate code for days or weeks, trunk-based development encourages integration multiple times a day. This keeps everyone's view of the codebase synchronized. At the heart of this workflow is the concept of the trunk. This is usually your main or master branch. In this model, the trunk is the single source of truth. Crucially, it must always be in a deployable state. Because everyone is merging into it constantly, we cannot afford to have broken code sitting in the trunk. One of the fundamental pillars here is working in small batches. In traditional workflows like GitFlow, you might work on a massive feature for 2 weeks and then try to merge thousands of lines of code at once. That is risky. In trunk-based development, we break that feature down into tiny, manageable chunks. Merging 20 lines of code is safe. Merging 2,000 is dangerous. Because we work in small batches, our branches become short-lived. A branch in this workflow should typically live for only a few hours. You create a branch, make a small change, and merge it back to the trunk immediately. This prevents merge drift, where your branch gets further and further out of sync with the main codebase. You might be wondering, how do I merge a feature that isn't finished yet? The answer is feature flags. We wrap our new code in conditional toggles. This allows us to merge incomplete code safely because the new functionality is turned off for users. We can deploy to production with the code present but inactive and only switch it on when it is fully ready. For this to work safely, you need robust continuous integration. Since merges happen frequently, we need automated tests to run on every single commit. If a bad commit hits the trunk, the automated system should catch it immediately so it can be fixed or reverted before it affects others. Why go through this trouble? The benefits are significant. First, you get faster releases because your code is always ready to ship. Second, collaboration improves because you don't have merge conflicts piling up for weeks. And third, quality increases because small changes are much easier to review and test than massive ones. Let's compare it directly to the traditional feature branch or GitFlow model. With traditional models, branches live for days or weeks, merges are painful events, and conflict risk is high. With trunk-based development, branches live for hours, merges are routine non-events, and conflicts are rare and easy to resolve. To summarize, maintain one main branch as your source of truth. Merge small changes frequently. Use feature flags to decouple deployment from release. And rely on automated testing to keep the trunk clean. Master this, and your team's velocity will skyrocket. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.